Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if you cannot purchase Spotify Premium in this app while you are trying to get a Spotify Premium. So guys, if you're facing this problem that you cannot purchase or upgrade to Spotify Premium in this app or in this device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all you will have to simply go back to your home screen, and here you will have to open up any browser in your device, and from here you will have to search for spotify.com. Here it is, and from here you will have to simply log in your Spotify account in here. So guys, once you log in your Spotify account in here, then you will have to simply tap on this settings button. Tap on this, and from here you can see your profile and your account as well. You will have to simply tap on premium from here. So guys, simply tap on premium, and from here you can see different packages for you or different plans for you in your Spotify. So guys, you can easily get a Spotify Premium using your browser in your device. So guys, you can view plans from here. You can get 3 months free for Spotify Premium. Here you can see, tap on this. So guys, from here you will have to simply purchase a Spotify Premium using your debit or credit card or payment method, and once you get your Spotify Premium you will be able to use it for free for 3 months, and after this you will have to pay for it. So guys, in this way you can easily get a Spotify Premium for your device in your iPhone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.